Standard 3rd Environmental Studies Lesson number 25 Changes in our surroundings. Let us see the changes in our surroundings and how day and night affect living beings. We can see things around us clearly during the day. And why it's so? Because we get sunlight during the day. That is why we can see the things around us clearly. Look at this picture. The sun is there in the sky. Sun is there in the sky, and everything around us we could see clearly. See the next picture. It grows darker after sunset. It grows dark and there is not enough light, and we are not able to see the things around us clearly. In the sky, we can see the stars in the sky at night, but we don't see the things around us clearly. It is dark and stars are there in the sky. And this changes means day and night. We can find out the changes during the daytime and during the night time, and it affects living beings. Let us see how. Can you tell how does the shadow lie? See, sun is rising here. Sun is here. And how does the shadow lie? After sunrise in the morning, in which direction does the shadow lie? Is it long or short? These questions are there, and we will find out the answer for this. In the morning, the sun rises in the east. Before the sun rises, we can see various shades of colors in the sky to the east. Sun is rising and there are various shades of colors to the east. When the sun rises, sun is rising here. See the changes in the sky to the east, and the light is soft. Sunlight is soft. The shadow falls to the west. Here the shadow is falling. Sun is rising in the east and shadow is falling here, and the shadows are long. The sun gradually begins moving higher in the sky. Sun gradually move higher in the sky. Shadows become shorter. Now look here, the shadows become shorter, and when the sun is directly overhead, shadows are short. The sun slowly begins shifting to the west. Now sun is shifting to the west. The shadows begin moving to the east and become longer. See the longer shadows. Now let us be more clear. Sun is rising here. This is the morning time. Sun is rising. Sun rises in the east. This is east direction. East. Sun is rising in the east morning time. So the shadow falls to the west. This is a noon time, afternoon time. Sun is directly overhead. Shadow is shorter. And the sun is shifting to the west. Now sun sets in the west direction. Sun is shifting to the west, so the shadow is falling to the east and longer. Here also the same thing. Check here. Morning time, sun is rising in the east and the shadow is falling to the west. Morning time. Noon time, the sun is directly overhead. Shadow is shorter. Evening time, west. Sun sets in the west. So the shadow falls towards east and longer. After the sun sets, various shades of colors are seen in the sky to the west. See the various shades. After the sun sets, there are various shades of colors are seen to the sky to the west. And slowly it becomes darker, darker. And it is night time. Changes. At other times the sky is blue. Other times we could see the sky is blue and clear. This is sky is blue and clear. And do you know Mahabaleshwar in Satara district is a famous hill station? This is the political map of Satara. And in this Satara district, Satara is a district. In Satara there is a place Mahabaleshwar, and it is a very famous hill station. People specially go to see the sunset at scenic place. Here it is called the Bombay Point, and it is also called the Sunset Point at Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar is well known for its view of the sunset. See the different places from where you could see the sunset. And tourists visiting Mahabaleshwar make it a point to visit to the sunset point in the evenings to experience the spectacular sunset. See, the different places are there. From different places you could see the spectacular sunset, and here the welcome board is there. It is also called Mumbai Point. So we have learned from this lesson there are many changes and there are places in Maharashtra to view. So we should take proper care of our surroundings. Thank you.